Hello, hello. In the last video, we installed Anaconda just so we could get Jupyter running on our Mac. So what we're going to do today is actually do a Hello World Jupyter notebook. We're going to try and save it and then pull it back up just to show you how all that works. So here it is running on my local machine on port 8888. What we're going to do is we're going to go into this folder just so we have everything in one place. We're going to start a new notebook, Python 3, and that's fine. Here, you can just run any one-liner that you want, or actually even more than that. You can do more than one line if you want. The idea is each code block gets into here, and as you need more of those blocks, you can add more if you want. So today, it's just going to be just a demo of how it works. So all we're going to do is say a equals 5, and we're going to run that. And then we're going to say print A, or just simply A, either way it will work. And here's A, and that all works. So this is what you would do in a Python terminal, but we're doing this in Jupyter, so we can save this all and pull it back out again. So right now it's called untitled. I'm going to give it a name, YouTube demo, rename that. And now we're going to log out, get out of here. I don't know if I saved it. Oh, darn it. Okay, let's pull it up and see what happens and see if this was saved. So let's see if I go into Jupyter Notebooks folder. I'm not sure if it saved anything. Let's pull it up again. Oh, I did save it. There you go. Awesome. Okay. So you see how all the things that we did, including the results, are saved in the notebook. That's something you probably can't do in VS Code. This is the beginning of why you would see everybody in the AI world, machine learning world, uses Python, Jupyter to do their stuff and save their stuff. So we can run this again if you want. Run and run, and we can add to it. We can say, okay, B equals 6, run that, and now B, basically show me what B contains, and 6. This little icon, saving icon, we can save that like that, and now it's saved, and now it's running. So right, this video was just to show you how it works. The next one will probably do some kind of math library or something like that, just to show you the richness of how Python's math and data analysis and machine learning libraries. So slowly and slowly we'll build from one video to another. All right, I hope you like this video. If it was useful, please like and subscribe. That really helps me out. Thank you. We'll see you next time.